So if you're looking for a brand new, ready to move in Highland home in the Houston area, you are definitely going to want to check this video out. We're going to be touring this beautiful Panamera floor plan in Meridiana. It's a wonderful, wonderful community. If you haven't been out here, make sure you give me a call. I'll show you around it. The amenities in here are simply just amazing. So yeah, you got to check out the other videos that I've done with Highland Homes as they're being built. Through all the different phases of the construction process, and you'll see why I like Highland Homes. So you're going to want to check those videos out. I'll put a couple of links in the description. Yeah, James Potenza, your Houston New Home Realtor. I do this for anybody looking to relocate or just buy across town. So representing your best interest. And right now I get this wonderful working relationship with Highland Homes. I can get you in one of these homes at the lowest price possible, and I'll be representing your best interest. All right, let's take a look at this Panamera plan in Meridiana. Yeah, I told you, love walking through this Highland home. And like I said, Highland is probably one of my #1 builders anywhere in the Houston area. Look me up and I'll help you out. Contact me first and I'll get you into these homes at the best possible deal, and we'll help make sure that the home is built right. Check out that staircase. Love it. Yeah, James Potenza, you're a Houston new home realtor. Look me up and I'll help you out. I'll represent your best interest, any home, anywhere in the Houston area. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.